Stings.
Is it plain? Yeah, try it. No, did you wet your throat yet? You gotta wet your throat with some water. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. All you gotta do is try to swallow it.
Wait, I have to drink water first?
Yeah, but you gotta swallow the water. Alright, ready? Open your mouth so I can see there's no water. Okay, go ahead.
Wait.
You gotta swallow it. Come on, you got it, you got it.
How much time do you have your camera?
Be quiet. Swallow it. Face just think if you gotta spit it out. Get some water. Face is sick. Face is sick.
Challenge failed.
Water, man, water.
Challenge.
Mad love. Uh-oh.
It's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn.
It's your turn.
Okay.
Still play. Play. Keep playing. Keep playing.
Oh, I'm scared.
That is what happens when you try to swallow cinnamon. Bubba, your turn.
Oh,
Yeah, Bubba. Yeah, Bubba. Bubba.
I'm scared.
It's awful.
What you say?
Awful. Mom's gonna yell at us.
I'm going last.
You better do it too.
I will. You're getting a lot.
Nah, but that's enough.
It's not a full spoon.
Yeah, I need more.
I was anxious for this. Look at that.
Alright.
That's good.
That's a lot of cinnamon.
I'm scared.
Alright. You can do it. Did you drink your water?
I'm gonna get my water right.
She gotta do it.
Make me nervous.
If Linnea do it, you can do it.
I couldn't do it.
She could.
Chill. Alright.
3, 2, 1, do it.
Did you see the cup?
Yeah. You'll be quiet. Dad's sleeping. Dad's. You gonna throw up? What she gonna do? Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm having second thoughts. I don't think I'll do it. Yo, keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Shh. I think it's. Is it my turn? No, hell, heck no.
Nice when you do this, you can't exaggerate.
She's trying to make herself throw up.
I'm trying to get off my tongue. You have to actually drink, not just gargle. Damn, it's nasty.
Yo, I don't know if I'm doing this. Like, I'm sorry, y'all some suckers. Nah, I'll do it. I'll do it. I said I was gonna do it. I'm a man of my word. I'll do it. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'll do it.
You better not exaggerate. Yeah, no exaggeration either. You got your water?
Okay, full spoon.
That is not a full spoon.
Oh shit, that's a lot.
Spread it out.
It's more than used it.
You don't gotta spread
Come
it.
on now, you're trifling.
Dang, shut up.
Why's my drink cup open?
I just opened it.
I might not want that straw, huh?
Nope. Here, let me get it.
Stop, I wanna.
Shut up. That's
Alright, y'all, this is the Cinnamon Challenge. This is your boy Bryson. To all y'all who know me, it's about to go down. Yeah. Let's do this. Countdown. Countdown.
Stop flexing, stupid.
No, be quiet.
You want to see me?
Count down. Count down. 3, 2, 1.
1.
Gotta swallow it. You put your head back to swallow it. You can't use a drink.
Oh. That's not it. Just stuck to my tongue. Ah, gosh,